Burfi can be made many ways. The thickening that happens, you can do either with the sugar consistency. That means you cook sugar to a point where it can start hardening. The second thing is you use condensed milk, that is the khoa. This is the cheapest way that a lot of halwais do, that is using all-purpose flour, that is maida. So I am going to show you how they do it with all-purpose flour also. And here all they do is they will take some cheap shortening, vegetable shortening. In that they add all-purpose flour. On a slow flame, keep cooking this all-purpose flour till you get the nice aroma, and you can use this for making burfis and it will set perfectly. In Western cooking, to thicken the sauces, we are going to use roux. Roux means fat and flour. So the same thing we are doing it here, and I have seen a lot of halwais do this. Once the carrot halwa is almost done, you can add this to it and it will give that kind of thickening. For making this carrot burfi, just take some ghee in a pan, and in that you can add carrot. The grated carrot, cook it on a slow flame till much of the moisture is gone. Now you got to have some patience, keep cooking till this carrot get a shine. First the moisture will evaporate and it will get a nice shine. In this add sugar. So I have a sweet tooth, so little extra sugar. This will bring out the moisture also from the carrot. You will have to cook along with this. Now people add milk in this to make it much more easier. Nowadays, even in the hotels and restaurants, we use khoa. And also, as I have shown you, I have got maida also. Both of them I am going to add, and then we are going to make a easy burfi. You have to add sugar only after cooking this carrot for at least 15 minutes and the shine comes out. In the hotel, it takes a lot of time when we cook large quantity. And as soon as you add sugar, you will start seeing that sugar will pull out that extra moisture. Now the consistency is correct. Now in this, we can add the roux, the flour and the fat. And this will further, suck in the moisture that is there in the carrot. That will also help it set much faster. I have just shown you a sample, but usually for 1 kg sweet, they almost add 300-350 grams of flour. I have just used very little to show you. Now look at this, it is already, because of the flour, it is getting thickened. In this, add cardamom powder, that will make your burfi even more tasty. There are many other burfis you can make, but this is the most simplest one. Instead of adding milk, I am going to add the milk khoa. Instead of milk khoa, you can also add milk powder. Just mix all of this nicely, and when it gets even color, that's when we are going to put this in a mold and we are going to set it. Later when we cut the burfi, it will be nice and perfect. Now you will get this beautiful orange color burfi, what we all love. Look at this, nice, perfect. All you need to do is take a mold. I have used butter paper so that I can remove it much easily. Set it and let it cool down. So you have to let it rest at least for 3 hours, after which we are going to cut it into pieces. You can decorate on top with pista, cashew nut or whatever you want on top of this. And just take the sheet and press it, let it cool down to set. We have left it out for like 4 hours to set. And when we put this whole thing, I put a butter paper so I can pull this out easily. Just put it upside down and slowly the whole thing will come out. And look at this, nice, perfect, and depending on the size you want, perfect. People use silver varak, very simple, burfi. And when these burfis are fresh, that's when I just love them. Even motichur laddus and all of them, when they are fresh, they are extremely good.